Let me show you what the maps look like and also how to use them on the Huawei Watch Fit 5 and also Fit 5 Pro edition. So yep, both of these watches actually has got internal maps and also internal storage. But first, to be able to use the map, you have to actually upload the map from your phone to your watch. So simply head to your Huawei Health app. Over here, and see on the bottom, you can click on the devices here. Then click on your watch. And as you see, you have the option for offline maps here. Okay. And then you'll see some offers once it loads, or you can simply click the regions here, I guess. Then you simply type in whatever country you are in and simply click to download the map. It will get sent over to the watch essentially. And also make sure you have the global overview map downloaded as well and sent to the watch. And then if you want to start using the map, you simply have to go in any exercise. We don't have a standalone map app for it. So you simply go in the exercise, start an exercise. You can wait for GPS to lock on if you want, or we can simply click go. GPS also is incredibly good on this watch, by the way. And then you see if you scroll all the way down here. Okay, so see you have your map here, so you can see your location, everything around you. If you basically tap on the screen, you can actually unlock the map and start to interact with it. So see, if I use my scroll wheel here, I can zoom out on the map. So see, for example, okay, let's zoom in a bit more to show you what it, for example, looks like in the global overview. So see, basically we have map for essentially whole world here. And yeah, so see, you can simply use a touchscreen to basically move around somewhere and zoom to essentially zoom in. So for example, let's see what it looks like up close. As you see, you can also see your place of interest, like all the shops you have around that are names. And also, as you see, you can even see the street names here as well. So it literally looks like almost like Google Maps here. So you can see everything here. And also, this watch has got track back function as well. So you can actually ask this watch to route you back to the starting point. For example, you see you have two options, route back and also straight line. So the route back works essentially in this way. For example, let's say this is you went for a walk, but you didn't went actually in a straight line. You maybe went basically something like this to reach this object. So if you tap this route back, essentially, it's going to like navigate you back in the exact same way that you went somewhere. So if you went basically around this object, then again, it will route you back around the object, for example, to return to the starting point. But if you use a straight line option, instead of routing you around here, it will actually route you straight, basically in a straight line, in the fastest way possible. And also this watch has got turn-by-turn navigation as well, so if you use a Petal Maps. So to install them, it's a bit of faff, but yeah, so you simply click this app. But as you see, it says iOS device aren't supported, so this is only for Android phones, unfortunately. So if you want to use this, so you open up your camera, scan this code here, it will basically link you to the download page for the applications that we have to install our phone. So again, we have to install additional application here. So install via browser, unable to retrieve item. Not sure why it said that, but it's actually downloading. So let's open it up and install this. Okay, so if you have Samsung phone, you have to disable the auto blocker. So let's, for example, do that in the security auto blocker. Make sure to disable it. And then let's try to install it again. Okay, so I have some bad news. Or not. I do not know why it actually says that. I just saw it literally said it's not supported on non-Huawei phones, but actually it's working. I have actually used this previously on the watch with 4 previous version, so no idea why it's said like that. But for example, yeah, let's try to navigate somewhere. Okay, directions, start. And yeah, essentially once you open this app here and start navigation on your phone, it also will mirror the directions on your watch, so you can actually see the 10x10 like instructions on where you need to drive or go. But again, this function only works if you have your phone in range. This 10x10 navigation stuff doesn't work without a phone. Only the internal maps where you can simply browse what's around you works without a phone. So in the like exercise menu, again, you do not have to have your phone in range for that stuff to work. Okay, like